Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your Snapchat video call is not working, either it's in your Android phone or Apple devices. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. If your video call feature is not working into your Snapchat, there are few things that you should check at first. First of all, you should check if your Snapchat app is up to date or not. In order to check that, just simply open your Play Store if you are using it into Android and open your App Store if you are using it into iPhone or any Apple device. If your app is outdated, it will show this update button into here. Just simply click into that update button or update your Snapchat. After that, the second reason for this problem might be the camera permissions into your phone. Now, in order to check if your Snapchat is using the camera permissions or not, go to your settings and select the app settings into there, and from the app setting, choose for permission setting. Into here, you will find all of the mobile permissions. You just simply have to select this camera option into here. Then after coming into this section, just simply look for Snapchat. If the toggle for camera permission of Snapchat is disabled, just simply enable it. Then after that, you can easily video call with your friends and chats into your Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.